Namaste, Aries. For my Aries souls, the warriors, the initiators, the ones who carry fire in their veins, 2026 arrives not as a battle but as a blessing. After the intense karmic turbulence of 2025, this new year feels like the gentle dawn after a long storm. A year where life finally allows you to breathe, to heal, and to rebuild from a deeper, calmer space within. Throughout 2026, Saturn continues its sacred passage through your 12th house. This is not a punishment, it is purification. Saturn is clearing old karmic patterns, past attachments, and emotional depths that no longer serve your growth. Solitude becomes medicine now. Silence becomes strength. You begin to understand that the greatest victory is the one you win over yourself. And then the light returns. From 2nd June, Jupiter enters your 4th house, blessing your inner world, your home, your peace, your emotional foundation. It's a divine hand on your heart saying, rest, rebuild, realign. Your relationships soften, your home becomes a sanctuary, and your mind begins to heal from old cycles of overthinking and exhaustion. But the real rise begins from 31st October when Jupiter moves into Leo, into your 5th house. That is your resurgence. Your creativity awakens, your confidence returns, your passion reignites. And this time, your fire won't be chaotic, it will be conscious. Remember, the warrior who conquers his inner darkness no longer fears the battles outside. This year is not about proving anything to anyone. It's about rediscovering your own truth, your emotional strength, your spiritual roots, your inner voice that was lost in the noise of 2025. Whether it's your career, your relationships, or your purpose, 2026 rebuilds everything from the heart outward. You are becoming calmer, wiser, and more aligned with the divine rhythm. Aries, this is your year to rise not with aggression but with awareness, not by force but by faith. And so let's begin with this prediction podcast for 2026 for Aries. 2026 for Aries is a year of divine rebuilding. The year 2025 may have felt like a mountain of tests, moments where faith trembled, where patience was stretched thin, and where the fire within flickered between exhaustion and endurance. But 2026 comes like a dawn after a storm, bringing peace, grounding, and a quiet confidence that arises from spiritual maturity. The mighty Saturn continues its passage through Pisces' 12th house throughout the year, urging you to detach from old patterns and clear karmic baggage that has lingered too long. This is a phase of inner purification where solitude becomes sacred and silence becomes strength. From 2nd June 2026, Jupiter enters Cancer, your 4th house, the zone of home, emotions, and peace, blessing you with comfort, property gains, and emotional restoration. From 31st October onwards, Jupiter moves into Leo, 5th house, brings dynamic energy, perfect for love, education, creativity, and self-expression. After a long journey of restraint, you are now ready to rise again, stronger, clearer, and more centered. Remember, the warrior who has fought his own darkness no longer fears the battlefield outside. When Jupiter transits your fourth house, it's as though the Divine Mother places her hand upon your heart. The months between June and October will feel emotionally nurturing, ideal for home renovation, relocation, buying property, or reconnecting with family bonds. If your work or business has been uncertain, Jupiter's grace stabilizes matters and restores hope. As Jupiter enters your fifth house in November, new chapters begin related to education, passion projects, romance, or children. Creativity awakens. You may feel an inner flame pushing you to express your truth, whether through writing, art, leadership, or spiritual teaching. Always remember, when your heart becomes pure, even destiny bows before you. Your ruler Mars will travel powerfully from Capricorn, that is your 10th house, to Leo, 5th house in 2026. A journey from duty to inspiration. This signals a career transformation. You may take on new responsibilities, launch a venture, or step into leadership roles that align more deeply with your purpose. Mercury's movement from Capricorn to Sagittarius, that is from your 10th house to 9th house in 2026, adds wisdom and communication power. This is your year to teach, publish, speak, or share your ideas. Those working in writing, coaching, media, or technology will experience breakthroughs. Still, Saturn in the 12th house asks for humility. Don't rush success and don't measure progress in numbers. Focus on mastery, not applause. What you build now has the blessings of longevity. The cosmic tone of 2026 is healing. If the past few years brought friction or distance in relationships, forgiveness will now lead to reconciliation. Venus moving from Capricorn 10th house to Libra 7th house enhances understanding, attraction, and spiritual intimacy. Married Aries natives find peace returning to domestic life. Singles may meet someone karmically connected, not just for romance but for soul growth. Ketu in the 5th house may make you introspective about love, but Jupiter's entry into Leo ensures that by year's end, the heart reopens with divine courage. Remember, true love begins when two souls stop trying to fix each other and start walking toward the same light. Saturn in your 12th house continues to shape your inner world, guiding you towards surrender, charity, and solitude. You may feel drawn to meditation, pilgrimage, or serving the needy. This is not a time for escape, it's a time for awakening. Your dreams will hold divine messages. Your intuition will sharpen. Let go of control. Life is steering you toward a higher plan. When Jupiter's grace flows into your emotional core, you will rediscover peace not by winning but by trusting. When you stop chasing what is fading, the eternal begins to embrace you. With Saturn in the 12th, ensure adequate rest. Overexertion can lead to fatigue or sleep imbalance. Avoid overstimulation, especially from digital devices or mental clutter. A simple routine, morning meditation, light exercise, chanting, and balanced meals will rejuvenate your system. The months between May and August bring opportunities to detoxify body and mind. Remember, the calmer your mind, the stronger your Mars. And now, a short story for you to remember. Once, a young warrior stood before a raging fire. His teacher said, "Step into it." Terrified, he hesitated. "Master, it will burn me." The teacher smiled. "Only what is false will burn." The warrior stepped in and emerged radiant, unharmed. So it is with you, dear Aries. 2026 burns away what is false, your fears, your doubts, your pride, so your real light can shine. Always remember, patience is not waiting, it is trusting that the divine moves even when you cannot see. 2026 is not a year of noise, it's a year of sacred rebuilding. The universe is guiding you from outer battles to inner stillness, from proving to becoming. As you are going through the Sadesati phase, the mantra for 2026 for Aries natives is Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Every morning and evening, chant this Shiva mantra 108 times using a Rudraksha Japamala. This mantra will anchor your fire in faith, awaken divine protection, and strengthen your emotional and spiritual core throughout 2026. Remember, dear Aries, true strength is not in aggression but in surrender. When you bow before the divine, even the most difficult storms become your servants. So walk with faith and not with fear, and focus on coming to the stage of surrender, for that is the real measure of your spiritual growth. How much, to what level you have come to the state of surrender. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Sri Ganesha. Jai Guru. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.